welcome back to TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz, where Mannings Hill Primary is on 26 points, Crescent Primary on 20 points as we head into the final challenge. In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams, with the first to press the buzzer earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams earn 2 points for each correct answer, but lose 2 if the answer is incorrect or if they answer before being identified. This section lasts for 4 minutes. That time will be on our NCB Insurance Omni Educator Clock. Teams, are you ready? Let's go. We begin our final challenge with local affairs. It's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this Jamaican diplomat. Ambassador Douglas Saunders. Sports. Who is the head of the Racers Track Club in Jamaica? Crescent?
Paul Francis.
That's incorrect. It's Glenn Mills. Bible knowledge. What are the first 3 books of the books of Mannings?
Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus.
Of the books of Moses or the Pentateuch? That is correct. Science. What's the hardest mineral? Mannings?
Diamond. Diamond.
On earth. Diamonds is correct. English language. Complete the English proverb. Beware of Greeks. Bearing gifts. Music. What's the name of the Jamaican artist who released the song titled She's Royal? Crescent.
Taurus Riley. Taurus Riley.
That's correct. General knowledge. In which country is the headquarters of the vehicle manufacturer Honda? Crescent.
Japan.
That's correct. Television visual question. Teams, look at the monitor and identify this person. He's Michael Clark Duncan. Mathematics. What's the square of 2.6? Mannings Hill. Time's up. It's 6.76. Social studies. On a relief map, what does the color green? Mannings Hill.
Plains.
Judges, accepted? That's correct. Television. The song Let It Go was featured in which Mannings Hill Primary?
Frozen.
In which Disney movie? That's correct. Sports, a visual question. Teams, look at the monitor and identify this legendary player from the WNBA in the USA. Crescent. She's Lisa Leslie. Bible knowledge. Which of Abram's brothers died before he left his native land? Haran. Science. In humans, which part of the body is the buccal cavity? It's the mouth. English language. Form an abstract noun from honest. Mannings Hill.
Honesty. Honesty.
That's correct. Music. To which family of instruments does the chord of Crescent?
Wind.
Chordophone, known as the vena, belong. It's strings. That's incorrect. General knowledge. In which country can you find North Cape? Crescent?
Cape Verde.
That's incorrect. It's Norway. Local affairs. Who is the chairman of the PAAC in Jamaica's parliament? It's Dr. Wickham McNeil. Mathematics. What is 8 p.m. represented on Mannings Hill?
20 hours. 20 hours.
That's incorrect. Represented on a 24-hour clock, it's 2000 hours. Social studies. Which Jamaican official is addressed as His Excellency? Crescent.
His Excellency. Governor General.
And that time's up. Got beaten by the clock. Governor General would have been correct. Bible knowledge. Who was the mother of... Can't finish that question because that bell signifies the end of the match, with Mannings Hill Primary on 32 points. And there it is, Crescent Primary on 14 points, which means a hearty congratulations to you, Mannings Hill Primary. Excellent effort by you, Crescent Primary. We wrap things up when we get back.